Was drama at the Mandera County Assembly on Thursday afternoon after Jubilee members started blowing whistles in the chambers. They were protesting in rejection of all the 10 county executives members by MCS. The CCs who had been appointed by Governor Ali Roba went through the vetting process a week ago. Mandera residents later took to the streets to demonstrate against the constant fighting among the members of the County Assembly.